if you've been following along with our demos, you know that when you have a coil of wire and you run electricity through it, it'll create a magnetic field. And in fact, I have this connected to an alternating current, which means the current goes back and forth in this coil, which means the magnetic field is changing all the time. When the magnetic field changes all the time, it can create a current in a circuit. So I have here a couple of very small tubes, metal. One of them, though, has a slot in it. So in fact, if a current, an electrical current, tried to go around, it wouldn't be able to. On this one, it will. So you may be able to hear the sound that this makes. This makes a little bit of a buzzing sound when the electricity goes through the coil. I can tell because it gets warm. But if I put this little ring with the cut here, nothing will happen. And the reason nothing happens is because no current goes through here, so it can't create a magnetic field. However, with this thing creating a changing magnetic field, it'll create a current that can go all the way around because this isn't cut. And that makes a magnetic field, which actually opposes this magnetic field. So you should see this jump off of the rig, like that. And I'll do it one more time. This one has the cut in it, won't work, nothing happens. This one doesn't have a slice in it. And now that's not very impressive. So we can concentrate the magnetic field. This is a bunch of metal iron hangers that have just been cut into straight pieces, like the hanger you would hang your clothes on. So this will actually concentrate the magnetic field a lot more. If I put the one with the cut, the slice in it, nothing happens. However, if I put the one that's solid, that goes all the way around through, try it again. More impressive for sure. It's jumping up about this high off of the coil. That time I caught it. And I have even better. These are actually rods that are used for welding. And so they have a lot of iron in them. And of course, iron can be magnetized. So this really concentrates the magnetic field that this coil is producing. So the magnetic field gets very strong, which produces, again, just to show you that it makes a difference, this one has the slice in it, and nothing happens. If I put this one on, I can tell you now it's going to hit the ceiling, which it did. You can't even follow it that high. And I'll do one more time.